Stephen, report to the office.
They must need me to fix something.
Hey, good morning, my friend.
Spills happen, but don't worry, we have a fix. Knowing what kind of stain you have will help determine how to remove it. Some of the most common stains, coffee, tea, wine, are called tannin stains. Tannin is a natural vegetable dye found in plants. But don't panic, these stains are easy to remove. To fix this stain, we'll spray clean with a series of simple cleaning solutions. Start with a mixture of white vinegar, water, and dish detergent. Spray the mixture onto the stain and blot with a clean white cloth. Rinse with cool water. Follow up first with hydrogen peroxide and then ammonia. Blotting once again. Neutralize the reaction by spraying with vinegar. Finish with cool water. Blot thoroughly and let dry. And if you're not comfortable with this, consult a professional. Look, our stain is gone and we're ready for tomorrow's photo shoot.
Inspire Q for those times when you just need a new one.